Urgently, Ripple leaving USA for India. XRP to $70,000. Ripple continues to thrive despite the ongoing lawsuit, and this is constantly being confirmed. Now the community has noticed that the company may be planning to open a new office in Bangalore, India. This became known from the company's vacancy announcement, according to which they are now looking for employees in an office in Bangalore. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. According to the vacancy announcement, the company is in search of a director of partner solutions with central banks, where Bangalore, Karnataka, India is listed as the location in the ad, assuming that this is where the office will be located. The candidate's job responsibilities include establishing interaction with various central banks and deploying various central bank digital currency (CBDC) projects. What is even more interesting, this is not the only vacancy in this region. In addition, the company is looking for a senior project manager of central banks, a senior software engineer and a software engineer. Currently, Ripple already has an office in Mumbai, and another representative office will strengthen the company's influence in the region. Ripple itself has not yet made any comments on this. Well, here you can see all the vacancies in the company, of which there are more than 100 around the world. Maybe this is your future place of work. Ripple General Manager Ashish Birla has just made a number of interesting comments regarding the future of Ripple and his thoughts on the current lawsuit with the SEC. Find out the news first in our Telegram channel. First, he confirmed that Ripple already earns about $15 billion in its payments business alone, which indicates how well the firm is doing. This already proves that Ripple is already working in a way that is resilient to any regulatory outcomes in the United States. One of the most interesting comments was when he was asked if he thought Ripple would ever replace Swift. In response, Birla said that Ripple intends to do more than Swift currently does, which only performs the messaging function in a financial transaction. Interview with Ashish Birla, some key findings. SEC lawsuit, roughness on the road. ODL has raised RippleNet's traction to the skies. At Ripple will stick with XRP. Ripple has bigger ambitions than replacing Swift. And more. I think we have bigger ambitions than replacing Swift. So remember, to transfer money internationally, there are two components. There is a messaging component, but then you really need to transfer funds. This is not what Swift does. Swift only exchanges messages. What was really innovative about cryptography and RippleNet is that we do both. We have upgraded both. Thus, using Swift for messaging is similar to what is happening today with the use of a fax machine. So, we're upgrading this with an API. This is in real time. But then we also make a settlement. There is no other solution that Ripple would immediately like. So our solution is now much bigger than what Swift does. I think Swift will exist for another 5 years. It takes a lot of time to change, like the entire banking system. I mean, upgrading the mainframe in BNY Mellon will probably require a couple $100 million to upgrade it so they can drop Swift. So I think Swift is not going anywhere. In fact, the CEO expects a gradual abandonment of the existing Swift network, since more innovative companies are usually the first to switch to using blockchain technologies. When they make this transition, RippleNet will be one of the most obvious solutions to their problems, since there really is no other better alternative in the crypto world. As a result, RippleNet's potential is more than just a replacement, it really succeeds in what the traditional financial system has been struggling with. This then creates a major incentive for all financial institutions to gradually move away from Swift, or at least use both systems at the same time. The advisory board of the Arab Monetary Fund has proposed RippleNet as a direct alternative to Swift. The clearinghouse, a well-known Ripple partner, teamed up with Wells Fargo, an American multinational financial services company, in March to create a new instant payment system to challenge Swift's supremacy. Ripple has also joined the Digital European Association (DEA), an internationally recognized organization, to work on CBDC. From this new point of view, it seems that the financial world will no longer be dominated by one network, and several major players will appear in the near future. The popular fintech company Ripple Labs has released another billion XRP tokens to the market from its escrow wallet, as it usually happens on the 1st of each month. The transactions took place a few hours ago, and the company issued 1 billion XRP tokens in 2 separate transactions of 500 million tokens each, at an XRP price of about $0.42 at the time of issue. 1 billion tokens were worth $423 million. 500,000,000 #XRP 211,419,017 US, unlocked from escrow at Ripple escrow wallet. 500,000,000 #XRP 212,030,898 US, unlocked from escrow at Ripple escrow wallet. It is worth noting that these unlocks are part of a program schedule compiled by Ripple for the release of 55 billion XRP locked in escrow in the XRP registry, XRP ledger. Since 2017, Ripple has been releasing at least 1 billion units of XRP every month, in accordance with the terms of deposit. After blocking, the company does not affect this process. For some time, many cryptocurrency investors feared that this would greatly affect the price of the token, and even filed a petition on Change.org to stop this movement. Nevertheless, as practice shows, the constant release of cryptocurrencies from the Ripple escrow does not greatly affect the price of XRP, because the company takes measures to maintain a stable price. A significant part of the cryptocurrency is blocked on a new contract immediately after the release of tokens to the market. As in previous months, Ripple usually locks 800 million XRP, leaving 200 million to the circulating stock of the cryptocurrency. In light of the company's ongoing litigation with the Securities and Exchange Commission, such a move is very far-sighted. CoinShares, a UK-based digital asset fund manager, recently released the results of its bi-monthly survey of fund managers. According to a CoinShares survey, institutional crypto investors have increased their investments in altcoins such as Polkadot, XRP, and Cardano at the expense of Ethereum, ETH. Bitcoin remained the preferred crypto asset among institutional investors despite the massive price correction. Compared to 36% in the previous survey, 39% of respondents now say that BTC has the most attractive growth prospects. In terms of price, BTC, ETH, and XRP have lost more than 40% of their value since the beginning of 2022. Over the past 24 hours, crypto assets have returned as XRP has risen by 4%. ETH jumped about 3%. Bitcoin now has a well-established inverse correlation with the US dollar. This makes sense because of its new savings vehicle characteristics, but also makes it incredibly sensitive to interest rates. Bitcoin's correlation with gold has declined, but has grown significantly compared to stocks, especially with interest rate-sensitive stocks such as growth stocks. In a sense, this is the correct interpretation by the market. Non-profitable assets will suffer during the rate hike, said James Butterfill, head of research at CoinShares. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1294436.065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.8% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.